Come with me to see how we show our love and care. Come with me, my whole family will be there. See how we do things the princess way.
Never made cake pops before.
In a surgery to literally
Dana, that's not. What are we doing?
Shalom!
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to be making cake pops.
I found this recipe online. It looked really good. We've never made cake pops before, so this is gonna be your first time making it, and we'll see how it turns out.
Hopefully it's delicious.
Yeah. So let's get into the video. Make sure we have all the. Oh my gosh. It's not. The camera's not in the middle. Me and this camera at every video. Okay, so we have the flour, salt, butter, sugar, egg, vanilla. Oh, yeah, you got everything.
Yeah.
So we're only getting the stuff for this part, the main part. Then we'll do the frosting and stuff later. Well, I already took out the powdered sugar, but oh, it just said Shakira. That's what it said. Okay, so let's show them everything we have.
And guys, it's not only ordinary cake pops, but it's gonna be unleavened cake pops because we don't have baking powder or baking soda, but we're gonna make them unleavened. So just hope it will turn out good.
We have our ingredients ready. And now we're about to start. So we just put our flour in our bowl. You can see it. And now we're gonna add the salt. We're gonna do the
1 2
I literally just forgot. What are we doing?
The salt.
No. We're gonna do the dry ingredients. We're gonna do the dry, and she just took the measuring spoons. Why are you not in the camera? Now we're gonna beat it.
What do you mean beat it?
We're gonna beat the egg. Just beat it.
With what, this?
Beat it.
Oh wait, this?
Just beat. If you can't tell. If y'all can't tell, yes, we did watch Michael. Was it good? Yes. Yes, it was. But now we're gonna clean up. And yeah, we're gonna wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the cake pop's in the oven right now. It's 23 minutes left, and we just finished cleaning, so we just gotta wait. When it's ready, we'll come back. But right now, it's not ready. So, see you in a minute.
So while the cake pops are cooking, we're gonna make the frosting.
With the butter. Because I want to melt it, but not too much to like room temperature. Okay.
Oh,
That's good.
it's dead. It's dead
What's
now.
dead?
The butter's dead now.
Oh, girl, I was like, is my laptop dead? That's what it looks like. Okay, well, we already told y'all the ingredients for this, so y'all just gonna watch us make it.
So our Santa Claus, she just came. So now we're gonna do our Santa Claus. I'm about to take it out the oven.
We already tried some of it, but we're gonna try it again for you guys. Like, the camera does not do justice, but it literally like a K-pop. It's literally like a cake pop.
We have to wait for it to like cool
What do
down.
you rate it?
A 10 out of 100.
A 10 out of 100.
No, a 100 out of 10.
I was about to just put mommy's peppers in the thing. I'm just gonna put it in her lunchbox because that's what she asks us to do anyway. I just forgot, but right.
Mommy, into our home.
Tora's here. She's back. My Say shalom.
And it's like pop. Pop.
We're gonna crumble it like this. So to make this, you get 1 tablespoon of our cake,
You put it in there,
and yeah, you
And
get
you
about
just-
1 tablespoon of the cake.
and then you roll it in a ball
Roll it, and then put- That's what we have so far, and then we gotta put it in the freezer
for an hour.
for an hour.
I don't want it to be an hour.
Yeah, but it'll go by fast because we're gonna make dinner anyway. And we have like other stuff to do. We still have to iron. We just put them in the freezer. I'll show you guys.
Characters are for friends, and
put
then
them in
she
the
made
freezer.
and the animation made
Girl, I'm recording.
by Lily.
But yeah, wait for it to be done. We gotta wait an hour, which is fine because I'm gonna make rice, so it's okay. So this kind of turned into like an afternoon or day in our life or prep day vlog. But right now, oh my gosh, I'm just on my eye. Okay, yeah, I'm just washing rice right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
Okay, guys, the cake pop is done. We just left it in the freezer for like an hour or so, to like 3 to 5 o'clock. And now we just put
ready?
the we put the. I'm about to put the frosted Grace heater. Wow. So that's
Forgot to show you. Oh, finished. This is what it looks like. Look how beautiful, 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 beautiful. These kind of have more sprinkles than the ones back there. I don't want to talk about it. But yeah, that's gonna be in there for an hour. Oh, I just finished. Well, I'm not gonna show you the stove, but actually I will. Here's the rice. Here's these. And then our turkey meat. And I gotta clean up, I know.
Okay, guys, after we put the chocolate on the cake pops and the sprinkles, we put it in the freezer for an hour, and this is what it looks like. This one is missing because I ate one, and I'm about to get another one. Grab maybe.
Shalom, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. we made cake pops and it turned out really good. I forgot to get like other people, like record other people trying it, but they all said it was good. Let us know if you want to see more baking videos, because I really like baking and cooking, so I really enjoy that. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah, shalom.
See how we do things the princess way.